What's up, Sice Life fam? It's your boy Yan.
I'm Lee.
And we back today with another video live from China. We still here. More strength, more love to you guys. Bless up. Sice me, don't size me. So we are back today. You see the title, you know what we're talking about. We're talking about credit.
Finally, you guys been waiting. We're here, we're back. Let's get this.
So we're here, we're back. I'm so excited for YouTube. Let's go, YouTube, man. A lot of people have requested this video after watching our debt-free journey videos about how we paid off our student loans fast. And this ties along with that, so it's a perfect video to feature after how to pay your debt off fast, your student loans.
If you guys don't know, we did pay off over $20,000 in student loan debt in 4 months.
$35,000 to be exact.
Yeah.
Today is October 3rd, 2018, and so far we've paid $35,000 in student loans since June 5th. Which was our first payment.
Yeah.
And before then, we just like, Lee paid her loans. She paid all like the minimum for everything for like a year. Like she was paying like $1,100 something like that a month for a year. And then just like after a year, like after we did that, she was paying it for a year and then she stopped for like a year or two, and then pretty much it was like she didn't even pay the loans, like the money just went back up.
Right.
Me, I wasn't paying anything at all. I came from default, like collections, all of that.
Exactly.
And today we're sitting at 742 credit score, 737 credit score. And that comes to two of the goals that we had for this year, 2018. We said January 1st, actually 3 months before January 1st, because you're supposed to be 3 months in the future. So right now it's October, you should already know what your resolutions are going to be for 2019 January. Anyway, yeah, two of our goals was one to get into the good credit club. We was aiming for 720, so we got there. And then
passed it.
The second one was debt down, credit up. So we $35,000 less in debt, and our credit is up. So
we wanted to share with you guys what we learned, what we experienced. So yeah.
All right, guys. So we have two videos for this. This video is going to be the proof. The actual, just to see the journey of everything that we did, which is pretty much us coming home after work, calling different places, checking computers, not camera ready, just getting the camera up like, yo, we just did this, raw footage. And then the second video, which is going to come after this, is going to be how we did it. The detailed steps of how we actually raised our credit by paying off loans and opening up new cards, and what we were spending, what we bought on our cards so that we were successful every month, and how we have a green check and we're in the excellent for 5 if not 6 of the credit factors. I'm saying 6 because this is Chinese and 6, I'm sorry. But yeah, all of these things really matter, and it's such a game. It's such a game. Like, if you understand this, it's such a game. You just gotta play the game. Like, and even our financial advisor was saying, he's like, it's a huge game. Right. And it's a trap. So you just gotta pretty much know that it's a game, and you gotta play the game without getting trapped.
True that. It's true.
That's it. Like, just to tell you guys one more thing about us, like, we were at a point where we were wanting to literally be like, we were like full roster, like, I mean, hippied out, like tiny home, self-sufficient, off the grid, leaving Babylon, not paying no debt, no loans, none of that. So we came from a place, a different place than where we are now, and I forgot my point to that. But anyways, Yan Talks, always talking. Follow me on Instagram at Yan Talks, you know what I'm saying? I just had to put myself out there real quick.
I love me Alethea, check me out. I be writing stuff, you know.
She's a great writer. Her words are amazing, and her documentary style, everything's amazing. She's my favorite model. Yeah, Alethea, she loves herself. But anyways, yeah guys, go ahead. We hope you guys enjoy these clips. And we also hope you guys make it to the second video to see exactly how we did it. If you guys have any questions, just hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, not on Snapchat, it's like no. And yeah, we're happy to help you guys. Representation matters. We love you guys.
Check it out.
So we what's today's date?
The 20th of August.
And we are doing what?
About to get a new credit card.
About to get our second credit card. Who would have thought that you'd be happy like, I'm about to get a credit card? But yeah, man,
Just
when
a
you,
few months ago, we were like, oh, we don't want no credit card.
I know. But when you know how credit works, it's like, hey, about to boost my score, about to have a higher limit. Yeah. And we might even get these 20,000 miles bonus.
Yeah, I see that.
See, that's the funny thing though. Like, the funny thing about credit is like, all right, first of all, they got some credit cards where you got pay an annual fee. So you mean to tell me I gotta pay you to spend money, like lend money? Like, come on now. And then the second thing is like, they be having these bonuses. So it's like, all right, if you sign up with a credit card for us, we'll give you, and spend like a whole rack of money in the beginning. Pretty much it's like spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, spend $500 in the first month, spend all of this money and get trapped immediately. You'll get a little small reward that won't mean anything. Like,
and you have to pay next month. What the heck?
Don't make no sense. But right now we're looking at the cards. Don't know which one we're gonna get yet. Probably this Capital One, Venture One card.
Good.
20,000 miles when you sign up and spend 1,000 in the first 3 months. $0 annual fee, of course. That's the rewards rate. Go down, scroll down, babe. No foreign fees, no annual fees. The APR doesn't matter. All of this interest, APR, regular APR.
As long as you're paying it.
All that doesn't matter because you're supposed to be paying your balance next month. Now, if you ain't paying your balance, then that matters because now you're going to have an interest. Your money's going to be, you're going to owe more money. Yeah, up to $38, that's about regular.
Window? Went crazy.
Yeah, we had a typhoon today. I don't know if y'all can see
like
it.
it's regular. Yeah, we had a typhoon today.
We had a typhoon today, you know, just
Regular life.
tornadoes on the wind, floods, people getting electrocuted. It was crazy.
Credit card. Well, this is the credit card we get into that works for us. Like, so we like to travel a lot, so we going. But we don't really like to travel too much all the time anymore. But we want to use. We travel a lot, so we need something.
What are you saying?
We travel a lot, so we need something to help us.
This fits us because if we decide to travel and put it on the card, or if we do have to spend our card for an emergency, we will still be rewarded with points so we can travel. Yeah. Because we don't spend money on gas, we don't buy groceries with our car, you know what I'm saying? So this card works for us. That's the name of the game. Credit Karma works well too, but
and there's no foreign transaction fees.
Right.
If we wanted to do that.
So yeah, that's pretty much it. We about to get our second car. Excited.
Yes.
Moving right along.
New steps. New steps.
6 months later, right?
Yeah.
We got our card. So we're applying for our credit cards, right? And this is the information. This is pretty much how you get approved for credit cards, yo. All right. So they ask your employment status, employed, occupation. I'm a teacher. Total annual income. I'm using the income for both of us combined because it's going to look better with a higher number. Maybe I shouldn't tell people this on video. I don't know. And then our monthly rent. You know what I'm saying? You put that down. I mean, do you have bank accounts? Checking or saving? Come show the screen. Checking and savings. Credit cards you spend per month. $1 because that's how much I spend a month. Do you want checkbooks for our cash advances? No, I don't want no cash advance. How often do you carry a balance on personal credit cards? Meaning you did not pay your balance the next month and now you owe more. You have to pay the next month. Never.
Hey.
And that's how you get approved for credit cards.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Knock on wood. Alright, I'm about to press continue. Please read through this. Your due date is at least 25 days after the close of each bill. We will not charge you interest. Cash advance, 330, 10%, 50%. Betting rights, okay, I'm about to click continue. Ready? Let Let me just read all of this stuff right here. Small print was not apply. Alright, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Blah 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 blah. Hey, blah. Okay, ready? Submit. By clicking the submit application button, I am acknowledging I have read and agreed to the important details. Acknowledging that this application contains brief. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Let's get this clear. All right, here we go. Submit application. Let's see if I was approved.
You approved or just got a message?
Hey!
Wait, you're approved already?
Yeah. You know that jank move fast? I was telling them that. I'm gonna buy a boat.
That's how you start with the dash.
I'm about to go, $10,000. We can buy a new fridge. We can get that new oven we always wanted. It's an American dream. Sice, you're alive. Dead. Yeah, like I was telling people in China, we was helping out about getting their credit card. When we first signed up for our first credit card, like I tell a lot of people, we thought we didn't have bad credit because we didn't have a credit card. We was like, oh, we ain't got bad credit because we got no credit. But no, actually, you do have credit history. You just don't have a credit card. So I was telling this one girl, pretty much when you apply for your card, like it's crazy because you think like it's gonna take days or weeks to get your like approval, and it's like nah. Like first of all, you can't cancel the card when you get it. You don't want to cancel the card for years. Like your credit takes a big hit when you cancel the card. So you got to make sure the junk you're applying for you plan on keeping. And then it's just crazy how fast you get approved. Like you see just now, I clicked submit and it's like, loading 1, 2, 3. Like, oh, so you already checked all my information?
That fast?
I'm good for, huh? All right, bet. They don't care. They gonna get their money regardless.
So y'all got his. I'm next. Hey.
Let's get it. She just got approved for her second card. Just like that. We in there. 2018 goals. Alright, so Lee just applied for her credit card and logged into her Credit Karma. And it's showing how she took it went down 1 point. So this is just like a soft hit. Like it just goes down a point because she just applied for a new credit card. But once, we get the card and all that joint will go right back up. Nothing to worry about for real. But the thing is, you can't apply for more than 2 cards in a year. Damn. Like the old video cameras. You can't sign up for more than 2 cards in a year. It looks bad. And you can't cancel a card either. It looks bad. But yeah, use this at 722. So your score went up to 735? Mm-hmm. You farted? Oh man, you trying to be cool. Alright y'all, so forgive my face. Lee is taking a quick nap. She just finished my hair. She about to style me up. I gotta find a style. But anyways, this is my trick that we have been doing to save so much money and raise our credit at the same time. So second credit card, just put it on auto payment. Well, I'm about to put it on auto payment. But here I'm setting up the auto payment for 99 cents a month. How am I doing this? I'm using iCloud storage. So I made a new account with a new email on a new device. Or just same device really. Still got the iPad. Just signed out, made a new ID, and then added my card, and then paid the 99 cents. So every month, every single month, I will be automatically charged 99 cents for 50 gigabytes. And then I put that on auto pay to my bank from my credit card. And then that automatically takes away the dollar from the credit card. It pays by the bank, so yeah, it is easy, done, automation. Alright, y'all, so I literally just went to iTunes and bought the iCloud space 50 gigabytes for 99 cents. Long story short, that's what you want to do. You want to buy something on the credit card, and then you even want to have that joint on auto payment so it can automatically take the money out, or you want to just go ahead and manually just charge it right away, so you ain't gotta worry about it. Ba-boom.
What's up, y'all? So we want to give y'all a Snapchat of where we were before and where we are now. I started in January at a 602 credit score, and then I jumped up to 46 points in July because I started paying my student loan debt off aggressively. And then I went up to 737 after I had already opened 2 credit cards and started paying them off. This is Yanni's before and after. He started at 669 at a fair level in January 2018. And then he went up 78 points at 680 in April because he started paying off his student loan debt. And now he's at 742 after he had opened 2 credit cards already. And that's where we are now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys gained some good knowledge, and we can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace. Sice Live.
I said I'm living my best life. I said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life.